If you are watching this video, it's because you are currently a level 4 writer, which means that you, on your CER that you were just handed back, have gotten a C check, an E check, and an R check. Well done. That means you've gotten all the major organizational components together, and you're ready to move on to some more stylistic things that are going to help you enhance your writing a little bit. So level 4 is all about finding high-level synonyms to enhance your writing, and I'm going to show you how to do that now. So if you're level 4, you don't really need to go over this because you've gotten these steps that help you get a strong CER and don't really need any help going back and doing those. So here's my essay right now, and you guys can see that right now I am a level 4. I'm sitting at that 4 level. I've got a C check, E check, R check, and I'm ready to kind of start editing my essay to be a higher level. So it's all about finding synonyms, and really easy thing you can do when you're taking that STAR test to enhance your writing is to use synonyms to enhance your writing. Now, this is not as easy of a process as people make it out to be. You do have to do a little bit of research, a little bit of checking before you just start plugging in random words. So if I'm reading my essay, it reads like this. Lizzie did not respond appropriately to being questioned because she did not show any emotions after a very traumatic event. For example, on page 19, the author writes, "More troubling yet, not at any time during the interview had she been in tears." This shows that Lizzie did not respond appropriately because after a very scary moment like Lizzie just experienced, you would expect her to be showing very strong negative emotions. Instead, Lizzie shows no sadness, making us believe she might not be sad about losing her family. That's not appropriate. Okay, just kind of reading over this, I noticed that I used the word emotions twice. I see emotions and emotions, and there's actually another word that shows up twice. I see sad and sadness. And when we're talking about level 4, we need to be looking out for words that we reuse. You sound crazy when you repeat yourself, and also it's just boring. And it's kind of fun to show off and show that you know some higher vocabulary by using that dictionary. Now, for this process, you're going to use your online dictionary. And so I'm going to start with emotions. So the first thing that I did was that I clicked define. I went into Google. I just typed in define emotions. And remember, when we're talking about synonyms, they always have a section down here to help you out with that. Okay, and I'm looking at these, and I see the word intuition. Ooh, that sounds like a really high-level word. So I'm gonna do intuition, I think. But the problem with that is before you choose a word that you're just going to plug into an essay, you actually need to make sure that that word is correct for what you want to use it to be, or for what you want to use it for. Because sometimes synonyms kind of mean the same thing, but don't mean exactly how you, don't mean exactly what you need it to fit into your paragraph. So then I looked up intuition, define intuition. The ability to understand something immediately. The ability to understand something immediately. Okay, let's see if that fits in. Lizzie just experienced, I'm starting here, you would expect her to be showing very strong negative intuition. Do I expect her to be showing very strong, do I expect her to be understanding a very strong ability to understand something immediately? No, that's not what I'm talking about. So actually, intuition is not going to work for my synonym. So I'm going to go back and just look again. Okay, I see the word sentiment. I've heard that word before. I'm not really sure what it means, so I'm going to look up that one and see if it means the same thing that emotions means. A view of or attitude towards a situation or event. Yes, that makes sense in the way that I want to use it in the paragraph. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to edit this. I'm going to say, you would expect her to be showing very strong negative emotions. So since that's plural, I'm going to edit it to say sentiments. I'm just going to write it above here, even though it kind of looks messy. I'm just editing right now. Sentiments. I would expect her to be showing very strong negative sentiments. Instead, Lizzie shows no sadness, making us believe that she might not be sad about losing her family. That's not appropriate. Okay. So far, I've taken out one word, and I see that I could start working on sadness or sad to start taking up my essay to the next level. What I want you to do for level 4 writers, I want to see if you can get 3 or more synonyms. Get 3 high-level synonyms into this paragraph to take your writing to the next level. See if you can do it.